UGC creators, we are a few months away from tax season. Let me break something down for you. And as a reminder, I am just another UGC bestie who has an accountant and understands this stuff. I am not a tax professional. Please go hire a tax professional. But let me break down what my accountant explained to me a couple of years ago so that you can understand the difference between PR, a gifted collaboration, and a paid collaboration, and what you're expected to cover when it comes to your earnings. First is PR. When you're getting PR from a company, you are not expected to do anything in return for receiving that PR, meaning it is a gift. You do not pay taxes on a gift. That is not your income. It's just a gift. If you post about it, that's in your own volition. That has nothing to do with your taxes. It's a gift. Gifted collaboration. A gifted collaboration is when a brand sends you a product with the expectation that you are either posting a piece of content to your social media or creating a piece of content for them that you then send to them that they can then use for their paid ads or for their organic marketing. A gifted collaboration means that you are expecting the product as compensation for your work. You are doing a trade. Therefore, in theory, you need to be paying taxes on the value of said product. When you do a gifted collaboration, in theory, you should be keeping track of the value of all of those products and you need to be paying taxes on the value of all of those products. Talk to an accountant, see what they say, but that is in theory how that works, and it's important to understand that. Now, when it comes to a paid collaboration, a brand hires you, they send you their product because you need the product in order to do the job that they hired you for, but after you deliver the video to them, they are going to pay you. If you're getting paid any amount of money, the product is now just a thing that you need to deliver the work that they hired you to deliver to them. So the product is no longer a payment to you. It's just a thing that you need to create the content that they hired you to create. Therefore, you're not paying taxes on the value of the product in a paid collaboration. You are solely paying taxes on the money that you make. That is the differentiation of the three that you need to understand, that you know what you're signing up for when you are agreeing to certain collaborations with brands. I hope that this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I may or may not be able to answer them, but maybe an accountant on here will see and will be able to answer if I can't.